Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR EX6250 Wi-Fi Mesh Range Extender. Unbox the NETGEAR EX6250 Wi-Fi Mesh Range Extender. Make sure you have the extender, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. Plug the EX6250 into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it's within your router's range for initial setup. Wait until the power LED turns solid green, indicating that the extender is powered on and ready to be configured. On your smartphone or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, SSID. The default name and password are on the label of the extender. Open a web browser and type www.mywifixt.net in the address bar. This will take you to the NETGEAR setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. The wizard will ask you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list, enter the password, and connect the extender to your existing network. This will allow the extender to boost your Wi-Fi signal. After setup, wait for the Wi-Fi LED to turn solid green, indicating that the extender is successfully connected to your router. If needed, unplug the extender and move it to a more optimal location, ensuring it remains within your router's range. Thank you for watching.